Hello students, welcome to Bstat classes. Today I am going to solve ISI Bstat 2019 objective question paper. Now here is question number 7. Let alpha denote a real number. Alpha denote a real number. The range of values of mod alpha minus 4 such that mod alpha minus 1 plus mod alpha plus 3 less than equal to 8 is. We have to find out. Option A, range of mod alpha minus 4 is 0 to 7. Option B, it is 1 to 8. Open interval. Option C, it is 1 to 9. Closed interval. And option D is 2 to 5. Closed interval. Now let our alpha is less than minus 3. So we have alpha minus 1 less than minus. So mod alpha minus, so alpha minus 4, so alpha minus 4, so here alpha minus 1 negative, so mod alpha minus 1 is 1 minus alpha, and alpha plus 3 also negative, so mod alpha plus 3 is equal to minus alpha minus 3. Now summing up that, we get mod alpha minus 1 plus mod alpha plus 3 equal to 1 minus alpha minus 3 equal to minus 2 alpha minus 2. And you can see that it have to less than equal to 8. So minus 2 alpha minus 2 less than equal to. So minus 2 alpha less than equal to 10, minus alpha less than equal to 5, alpha greater than equal to 5. So greater than equal to minus 5. So here alpha will be minus 5 to minus 3. So alpha minus 4 will be minus 7 to minus 9. If we take mod, then it will be mod alpha minus 4, it will be 9 to 7 to 9. Now, second case, alpha is greater than minus 3, greater than equal to, but less than equal to 1. So here alpha plus 3 is positive. So mod alpha plus 3 equal to alpha plus 3. Here alpha minus 3 to 1. So alpha plus 3 greater than 0 or equal to. So alpha mod alpha plus 3 equal to alpha plus 3. But in case of alpha minus 1, it is still negative. So mod alpha minus 1 equal to 1 minus alpha. So now this mod alpha minus 1 plus mod alpha plus 3 equal to 1 minus alpha plus alpha plus 3. It is 4 less than equal to 8 in any value of alpha. It is not dependable on alpha. So here alpha can be any value between minus 3 to 1. So alpha minus 4 can take any value between minus 7 to minus 3. So here mod alpha minus 4 can take any value between 3 to 7. Now let the case 3 here, alpha greater than 1. Alpha greater than 1 means alpha minus 1 is also positive and alpha plus 3 is positive also. So mod alpha minus 1 equal to alpha minus 1 and mod alpha plus 3 equal to alpha plus 3. Plus 3. Now this mod alpha minus 1 plus mod alpha plus 3 equal to alpha minus 1 plus alpha plus 3 equal to 2 alpha plus 2. Now 2 alpha plus 2 less than equal to 8. So alpha plus 1 less than equal to 4. From here we get alpha take one page. Here we get alpha, here we get alpha plus 1 less than equal to 4. So here alpha less than equal to 3. Alpha less than equal to 3. So alpha minus 4 less than equal to minus 7. So mod alpha minus 4 greater than equal to 7. Now we got the value of mod alpha minus 4 greater than equal to 7 for all alpha, that alpha greater than 1 and alpha less than equal to 3. From here I get so here we get mod alpha minus 4 greater than equal to 7. Again there we have mod alpha minus 4 7 to 9 and here we have a mod alpha minus 4 3 to 7.